This Austrian Airlines A320 touches down, but wait, that tail's way too close to the runway. It's a near tailstrike. Realizing the danger, the pilots hit full throttle, and just like that, they're back in the sky for a go-around. This A320 is coming in way too fast, and it touches down way past the maximum touchdown zone. At this point, every second counts. There's less runway ahead, and the pilots have a big decision to make. You're looking out the window enjoying the approach into Amsterdam. And then, bam! A sudden jolt. That's a bird strike. But the pilots stay calm, keeping the plane steady. Despite the bird strike, the landing stays smooth. This American Airlines flight was just about to take off from Tampa International Airport when its tire explodes. You can see the smoke trailing behind. But thanks to the quick-thinking pilots, the takeoff was aborted immediately. The plane slowed down safely and emergency crews rushed to the scene.